Deputy Speaker, sir, I thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak on a very important demand, being agriculture. Sir, I'm going to bring out a few observations to the demand. The majority of the Indian people are living in rural India and linked to agriculture and its allied sector. So basically, within the agriculture sector, let's divide them into horticulture, dairy, fishery, poultry, and Indian agriculture constitutes about 25% of our GDP. And the workforce working within the agriculture sector is about 60%. So we are really dependent on the agriculture sector. At this stage, I must also put it to you, in the UPA government's Common Minimum Program, they had mentioned that they will give full emphasis to the agriculture sector, and with our minister, our Honourable Minister of Agriculture, he being a farmer himself, he being from the grassroots, he knows the feeling of the people, and we are happy to have a minister like him. I must say, the production at this stage of food producing it's been a great produce this year for 2004-2005, and there's been surplus production. But at this stage, I must say the minimum MSPs for agriculture produce in Rajasthan, especially for Gaur, Mot, Dhania, Isogol, there's no MSP for that, and you need to provide that for the farmers, so the farmers can get for the equal weightage for the produce. At this stage, we need to link marketing and the marketing boards so that there's a link from the marketing boards to SCI, and so that the produce of the farmer gets to the mandis on time, and once it gets there on time, the produce is of high quality and high standard. Our farmers work hard, they toil, they work through different conditions, and especially when there is we have different climatic conditions. We just in Rajasthan we just had hail, and due to hail there was a crop destruction in Rajasthan, and through this crop destruction under the agriculture insurance under national insurance we consider the tehsil as the whole. We should consider the village as a whole, and so that we can give the farmer equal weightage